collection, transportation, and recycling of construction and demolition waste into useful products. An overview of solid waste management. C&D waste is a high-density waste, consists mostly of inert and non-biodegradable material. About 10 to 12 million tons of C&D waste is generated annually in India. Best practices being followed in India for the treatment of C&D waste are by East Delhi Municipal Corporation and Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation. Delhi generates around 5,000 TPD of C&D waste, while Ahmedabad generates 4,000 TPD of waste, including 500 metric ton of construction and demolition debris. C&D waste processing by EDMC. Site is in Shastri Park, area available 2.5 acres. Secondary C&D waste collection. Collection of construction and demolition waste from 15 designated locations in EDMC jurisdiction. Transportation of C&D waste from the designated location points to the processing site at Shastri Park, Delhi. Processing. Weighment and segregation of C&D waste. Wet and dry processing. Selling recycled material. Recovery of aggregates to produce ready-mix concrete. RMC is converted to products like curbstone and paver blocks. Brick dust and granular subbase is sold as building material. Collection system. In East Delhi Municipal Corporation, 15 designated points have been identified from where unclaimed C&D waste, Malba, has to be lifted. On demand, Malba is also lifted from sites other than these designated points within EDMC jurisdiction. Lifting of Malba is planned in the day and lifting takes place in the night hours. SLF slips are issued for each truck of Malba, giving details of place, time, date as a proof that material has been lifted from these designated places. Weighment of trucks bringing Malba are witnessed by corporate representatives round the clock at C&D plant weighbridge. As an additional measure, the activity of weighment is captured on CCTV and 15 days data is available for scrutiny and verification. Wet processing technology is proposed to be adopted for washing of aggregates. Materials recovered are mixed waste, concrete waste, and aggregates of different sizes. Value addition by processing. Processing can reduce waste to landfill by 95%, reducing pressure on the scarce land, a niche of IEISL. Byproducts. Recycled concrete aggregate RCA, recycled aggregate RA, consisting of concrete and brick pieces, ready-mix concrete, pavement blocks and curbstones, drain cover, and any other non-load-bearing precast product, concrete blocks and hollow bricks, brick pozzolana, coarse sand, and slit. C&D waste processing by Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation, AMC. Situation before the initiative. Till December 2013, 300 tons per day of construction and demolition waste was being disposed without any treatment or recovery. This resulted into the wastage of land and the loss of valuable materials. Timeline of the initiative. Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation issued an expression of interest on 18th March 2012 for design, build, finance, own and operate for 30 years on PPP mode. Subsequently, 6 companies submitted their offers. Detailed technical, commercial and financial evaluation of these offers was done by experts, as the project has a time frame of 30 years and is significant from the environment point of view. Work order was issued to Ahmedabad Enviro Projects Limited and 5 acres of land was allocated by AMC for this project. Present status. Ahmedabad Enviro Projects Private Limited has commenced the plant in a phase-wise manner from the December 2013 and the plant is fully operational since June 2014. AMC has designated 16 spots around the city where the citizens will have to bring the C&D waste at their cost. Also, the C&D waste generated by AMC Civil Works will be collected at these spots. The agency then collects C&D waste from these spots by their own vehicles. AMC is paying Rs 162.50 per ton with an escalation clause of 5% yearly increase. The collected waste will be weighed at AMC weighbridge and also at the weighbridge of the company's plant, which will be offloaded at the municipal plant. Process. Removal of unwanted material. Air pollution control. Sand washing system. Aggregate production and washing system. Final products. Use of recycled concrete aggregates and sand. Embankments and fill. Capping, pipe bedding, bitumen-bound materials. Recycled concrete aggregates. Precast RCC benches, drains, drain covers, manholes, slabs and pipes. RCC pipes and cement articles. Precast concrete box culverts, precast concrete manhole, RCC fencing pole, door frame and grill, curbstone and ferro cover, road edge stone, paving stone, curbstone and granite, paving blocks, mortarless for concrete and interlock pathways. Services to citizens. Citizens can register their requests for collection of the construction debris from the residents by a phone call to AMC, Operated Complaint Redressal System, CCRS. As per mapping and scheduling for the C&D waste, below 1 ton, 4 to 5 spots can be covered per trip, for which the citizens shall be charged a minimum flat charge of Rs 200 per ton, and for 1 to 5 ton waste, Rs 225 per ton and Rs 675 minimum charge per trip, and for more than 5 ton waste, Rs 212.5 per ton and 1700 minimum charge per trip. After the successful resolution of the request, the citizens and the concerned municipal officials shall be informed by agency through CCRS. Policy for purchasing final products by AMC. In June 2016, AMC has adopted a policy to purchase minimum 50% tender total quantity requirement of paver blocks and curb and minimum 25% tender total quantity requirement of manhole cover from this plant for its own various civil works at prevailing approved rates from time to time as per AMC tender or SOR. Plant capacity expansion planning. AMC has taken up this initiative in the year 2012 and work is awarded for the treatment of 300 tons C&D waste. Presently, AMC is collecting 500 tons per day C&D waste. So the AMC is in the process to award further 200 tons per day C&D waste to this plant. Social and environmental impact of C&D waste plant. Improvement in the C&D debris management situation. C&D waste is being processed as per compliance with MSW 2000 rules. By reuse of C&D, load on overflowing dump site is reduced. City will be more cleaner. Drain clogging is less. C&D waste, which is indiscriminately dumped throughout the city, is processed and converted into useful products. Professional and scientifically managed projects. Improving efficiency of composting and energy efficiency processes.